Good day, guys, and welcome once again to Blends Multimedia TV. Blends here again with yet another interesting video. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about the top 10 richest musicians in Nigeria. But before then, if you are new to my channel, do it to hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video like this one. Also, guys, leave a comment down below, like this video, share this video to your audience in a way of showing your support to our channel. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So guys, the number 10th artist on my list goes by the name Burna Boy.
So, Burna, in case you don't know, is the latest and the first in Africa to win the Grammy. You say amen to that?
Amen!
No, say amen to that?
Amen! Burna Boy sits at number 10 with a net worth of 7.2 billion naira. Burna Boy is one of the highest paid musicians in Nigeria. His official music career started when he signed a record deal at Aristocrat Records. Burna Boy has won 4 awards at the Sun City MVP, including African Artist of the Year, Listener's Choice, and Best Male MVP. In fact, he was nominated at the Grammys Award at the 62nd Annual Grammy, and this doesn't come by chance, but by hard work. As of 2021, Burna Boy is worth approximately $18.1 million, making him the 10th richest musician in Nigeria. He has got some good car collections, including Lexus, Bentley, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, and so on. Finally, Burna Boy won Best Global Music Album at the 2021 Grammy Awards. His album Twice as Tall made the difference. The number 9th artist goes by the name Flavour Nnabania. Flavour Nnabania occupies the number 9 position with a net worth of 10 billion naira. Aside from being a musician, Chinedu Okoli is a songwriter and a multi-instrumentalist capable of playing the drums, guitar, and piano. Flavour is a specialist in Igbo high life. He established himself as a top artist in Nigeria through his second album titled Uplifted. Ever since then, he has released 4 albums, namely Blessed, Thankful, Ijele, The Traveler, and Awele. Throughout his career, he has released a total of 34 singles and is expected to keep them coming, which is evidence of his undoubted talent. In one of the 10 inspiring quotes by Flavour, he said, "It is all on you. Nobody will do anything for you. It's tough, but you have to accept it." As of 2021, Flavour Nnabania's net worth is estimated to be roughly $25 million, making him the 9th richest musician in Nigeria. The musician seated at the number 8 position is no other person but Asa.
You never knew a good thing.
With a net worth of 11.52 billion naira. Bukola Elemide, popularly known with her stage name Asa, is a Nigerian-born musician whose debut single I Adaba opened her door to fame. She soon produced a magnificent album titled Asa, which opened even more doors as she became the winner of the French Constantin Award in 2008. Asa has won lots of awards, which include 2015 Eddie's nomination for Best R&B Pop Album, Best Alternative Song, Best Vocal Performance Female, and Best Recording of the Year. As of 2021, Asa's net worth is estimated to be roughly $28.8 million, making her one of the top 10 richest musicians in Nigeria alive. So guys, the number 7 position goes to the Cocoa Master, D'banj, with a net worth of 12 billion naira. D'banj is no doubt one of the richest musicians nationwide. Most of his hit songs came when he was part of the record label, which was a household name in the late 2000s, Mohit Record. So far, he has won the MTV Europe Music Award for Best African Act, MTV Africa Music Award for Artist of the Year, and so on. As of 2021, the band's net worth is estimated to be roughly $30.1 million, making him the 7th richest musician in Nigeria.
Yes, so two Baba there, so check this.
So guys, the number 6 position goes to Two-Face Idibia with a net worth of 14.8 billion naira. This is yet another musical icon in the Nigerian music industry, whose career can never be forgotten. Two-Face started out as part of the Plantation Boys. His super hit African Queen gave him a place on the international spotlight. Two-Face has won enough awards, the Best International Collaboration, Rainbow featuring T-Pain being one of them. Today, he is worth $37 million, making him sit on this list of the richest musicians nationwide. So guys, Wizkid occupies the number 5th position with a net worth of 25 billion naira, guys.
Got the pretty lady with no like no stress. She got her own.
Wizkid is the first Nigerian to have a sellout at the prestigious O2 Arena in the UK, thereby setting the pace for other Nigerian artists. He has broken so many records since he started out at a very young age with his debut single, Holla at Your Boy, and is one of the first artists to feature American artists in his songs, including Chris Brown, Beyonce, and Drake. This is one international superstar musician that we cannot but mention on this list of richest musicians in Nigeria. Today, Wizkid's net worth is estimated to be $63.3 million, a value that justifies his input to music world and making him one of the richest musicians in Nigeria.
I don't understand why you're laughing. Do you have fans? You don't have fans. Man, guys, man, I've been getting so much love, and it's making me feel mushy.
So guys, the king of all producers, Don Jazzy, settles at number 4 with a net worth of 26.1 billion naira. Don Jazzy is a revered music producer in Nigeria. He is currently the owner of Marvin's Record, one of the top 10 record labels in Nigeria. Don Jazzy is a well-pronounced business tycoon with great understanding of the Nigerian music industry. His record label has produced successful artists such as Wande Cole, D'banj, Tiwa Savage, Johnny Drille, and many more. Don Jazzy's talent as a world-class producer earned him a call to produce beats for Kanye West for an album that featured both Jay-Z and his wife Beyonce. As of today, Don Jazzy's net worth is estimated to be $65.3 million, making him the 4th richest musician on this list.
What I do? Too much money, too much groundnut. I go buy everything here. BB cup.
So guys, Mr. Rude Boy takes up the number 3 position with a net worth of 26.4 billion naira. Paul Okoye, together with his twin brother, is popularly known as P-Square. He has his stage name as Rude Boy. He is a talented twin of Peter Okoye, and they both took the world by storm. But unfortunately, they split up due to various disagreements between the two. Paul, just like Peter, started music together and have won several awards. His music lyrics are always on point and his voice is just unique. However, since he's doing music on his own, Paul's net worth is estimated to be $66.1 million as of 2021. So guys, Mr. P takes up the 2nd position with a net worth of 26.6 billion naira. Not just one of the most popular Nigerian musicians, Peter, with his twin Paul Okoye, has taken his music global and has worked with Rick Ross, Dave Scott, and Akon. No doubt, he is a dance lover and is super good at rhythmic dancing, just like his role model back then, Michael Jackson. Since the release of Get Squared, a hit project which he featured in, Mr. P has gathered an impressive net worth of $66.6 million, making him the 2nd richest musician in Nigeria. In one of Mr. P's quotes, he said, "There are pains and gains of stardom, but for now, the gains are more than the pains."
I want to give you some love.
So guys, to the moment we all have been waiting for. I know you've been waiting patiently to get to know the person seated at the #1 position. And this person is no other person than the king of hip-hop, Davido, with a net worth of 28 billion naira, guys. 28 billion naira.
Where David? Yeah. Oh, your feet. That's why you trying to say your feet is wet, bro.
Davido has become one of the greatest music artists in Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large. The self-pronounced Obo, Omo Baba Olowo, and the 30 billion crooner has got his song titled Assurance topping countless music charts worldwide. Davido has 4 albums with over 32 songs to his name, picking up plethora of awards both on the domestic and international level. He is one of the best-selling music artists in Nigeria, Africa, and worldwide. With his record label, he has signed a couple of successful artists like Mayokun, Dremo, Peruzzi, and others. He's definitely not at the peak of his career yet. And today, Davido has raked in a mammoth net worth of $70 million, making him the richest musician in Nigeria. If you have followed me to this point, it means you really like this video. Do wait to hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so you can get notified whenever I drop a bomb like this one. Thank you so much guys for watching, and God bless you.